And why you arguing?
If Whisper was a wonder kid, Whisper is in Europe. He's not a wonder kid, but he's a very good player, trying to reach to the professional level. Alright? He's not a wonder kid, Bridget. No make nobody you wanna say that, brother. Right? He's a very good player, we can't deny that. One of the best in the Caribbean, but he's not a wonder kid. Wonder kid, Real Madrid, Barcelona, they're all over him. You understand? Blessing to your fiance and thing, or your mother.
Sally could go that, Ryan.
I never. No, because she come. Yeah.
Ryan, come on, Ryan. Nobody.
I give you the Collins. I'm here for do this because we have a football conversation, but I go to the dictionary right now. These are the Collins dictionary. Yeah. A wonder kid, a young person who excels in his or her discipline, is appropriate to someone older and more experienced. So basically, a young kid will play ahead of them years, bro. Which is what the Urban Dictionary, while I go with Joe Mar say, which is more, it's less reputable, but it's the Urban Dictionary. That's a kid that has the ability to become world class. So are you here saying no, that Whisper can't become world class, him now have the ability to become world class?
No, we're not saying can't be world class because I'm still young. Him can get there. You understand? Would you classify Leon Bailey as a world class footballer?
No, Leon Bailey is not world class right now.
Okay.
But Leon Bailey can become world class, and Leon Bailey was a wonder kid.
What do you mean by Leon Bailey was a wonder kid?
Leon Bailey literally get nominated for Golden Boy, bro.
Yeah, Golden Boy, that don't mean you're a wonder kid, bro.
No, man, if you get nominated for Golden Boy, a wonder kid, man. Now do me that, Ryan. Now do me that.
Brother, when Leon Bailey get that award, at what age?
At like 18.
18?
Yeah, bro. Okay. Leon Bailey a wonder kid. But Leon
Bailey in Belgium.
World class, yes, but him still have the ability.
The man get nominated.
Yeah, him have some world class performance, but you know, world class, you know, bro. What we want to understand is world class, you know. World class is consistent in a Britain.
Right. Leon Bailey no world class.
We're not a chippy world class yet, you know. But Leon Bailey was a wonder kid, kind. Him get nominated for a European best young player award. That's the best young player in Europe award.
You know why I wrote against. You know why I wrote against Dujan Richards? One thing I wrote against him.
What?
Is to play more in Europe. That alone I wrote against Dujan Richards. When Leon Bailey was...
Can passport over against him most?
Bro, Leon Bailey never had the same Jamaican passport Leon Bailey have.